foodie gang, welcome back again to another interesting episode of Well Plated Meals. I hope you guys had a good week. I'm also doing fine. If you're new here, karibu sana, and to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for the continued support. Just as you have seen on the thumbnail, we will be preparing minced meat. So let me take you through the ingredients. Leo sivai apron, iko chafu. While I was washing the dishes, ikachafuka, but lazima tuendelee. So the ingredients are, we have, this is the minced meat. Sijui the size, si mimi nilibuy, but inaka maybe half. And we have dark soy sauce. This is the dark soy sauce. Our vegetables, we are going to use garlic. Hii ni half the garlic. We have 2 onions, 1 whole hoho, 3 tomatoes, and 1 dania. For the spices, we are going to use black pepper, cumin spice, and paprika. And lastly, we have 2 Royco cubes. So guys, I've just grated the garlic off the camera. Tumepata ikuwe na record that see much that imepita. So here is the meat na the garlic. So nikiboil nataka ni boil pamoja so that the meat itaweza kuabsorb the garlic vizuri. I'm just going to kuweka maji kidogo tu. Pia when boiling usikuwa na boil na maji mingi, ita drain all the taste. And I'm also going to add salt. The salt helps the meat in a soften haraka na pia inakuwa ready haraka. So I'm going to place them on the heat. You remember I've already added the salt and the garlic, so nazikoroga tu kidogo, then I cover. When boiling your meat, mamangu alikuwa ananiambia you cover ati taste isipotee. Sijui how legit that is. You can comment below and let me know. Meanwhile, as in a boil, let's go and grate the tomato. I'm not going to blend them, stima imepotea, so I'm just going to grate them. Ndio pia when you wanna blender or even grating, it can also work better. So let's start grating. So I'm just going naenda kukata hizi macho zake. Sijui kama zimetoa macho, the place yenye ilikuwa attached with the huko kwa plant. Na pia my small baby kameamka. Ukimsikia, don't mind. When grating, even though in a bakingi, so this one I'm going to put them there and take the other one.
Iyo part inabaki, it's the skin, or you can also peel your tomatoes, then sasa ugrate ukiwa usha peel.
I hope you all can see inaka iko fine. So when cooking, haita kusumbua sana ikiwa hivi. I'm also going now to blend the hoho together here because it's minced meat na tunapika ikiwa fine and the sauce pika ikiwa fine. Shamaliza kugrate. And as you can see, I know inakaa messy, but iko sawa. You can see I'm grated. Now I'm going to prepare the onions. By the way, it's always nice to prepare your ingredients before cooking, but it's just the same juu the meat is still boiling. I'm going to use 2 onions, so I'm just going to cut them here. But if your onions ziko big, you can use just one, and juu zangu ziko ndogo.
Cut your onions into small cuticles.
Hizi pia zimeisha, so let's tuone imefika wapi. Nimeona dania zangu ziko na stems kubwa, so I'm just going to cut them here ndio tukianza ku fry the meat niziweke zikiwa pamoja. I'm just going to do it real quick. The meat naona ni kama iko ready cooked. Guys, you can imagine hiyo nyama yote imepikwa tu na hiyo maji kidogo. While cooking, msikuwe mnaeka moto mingi, juu kiweka moto mingi si kuiva. Ni kama ni maji ni kukauka inakauka, but the meat or whatever you are cooking haitakuwa imeiva. Nitafanya, as you can see, isha dry na quick already. So I'm just going to put the cooking oil. Hivyo. And add in the onions and the dania. The dania stems, remember. Going to add the spices. Guys, remember paprika inaekangwa at the end pamoja na dania, because ukiipika sana uta kill the taste and the color utai-spoil. Ni kama tu dania. This is red bell pepper. So I'm going to put in the cumin. The onions is almost done, so naeka ndio by the time inafika point ya kuweka the tomatoes I have enough time to cook, ndo sasa ikuwe imecook. The spices unapima tu according to how spicy you want it. Hivyo the soy sauce tutaika time ya the nyanya. Give it a nice stir and watch ziendelee kucook. Be careful of the steam.
By now our spices are ready. Always make sure ujazi overcook ndo zisibana, na pia give them enough time to cook as well. So now I'm going to put in the tomatoes and the hohos.
The soy sauce. Kidogo tu. And now the paprika, because ziko almost tunangoja tu hii sauce ikuwe thick.
And our minced meat stew will be ready to serve. Na pia kama ujaona let's learn our spice video, I'm going to leave the link below. Make sure you do to see how I use my spices. I almost forgot the Royco cubes. Let me get them and sprinkle them zive pamoja. And guys, let's normalize grating and blending our tomatoes. They will always give you an easy time. And not forgetting a fine stew. By a fine stew na kwanga nikimaanisha yani huoni makamba kamba za nyanya ama nyanya zenye zijaiva kabisa. We are now going to cover it and let it simmer. Meanwhile, let's cut the dania leaves. Remember the leaves tunaikanga for garnishing, na the stems ni time sasa tunapika the onions. So guys, minced meat yetu iko ready. I can already smell the sweet aroma from the garlic, the cumin, the minced meat itself, the paprika. This was just a perfect combination of the spices, and this was what I was nilikuwa na try kumaanisha nikiwaambia a fine soup, like a fine stew. You can see hakuna nyanya zinaonekana. Kama una grater karibu, pia make sure umepika your tomatoes zikakuwa completely done ndo zisikuwe zinaonekana. So we just added the coriander. After turning off the heat, make sure you don't cook the dania and kill its taste. And that's all about preparing the minced meat. You can serve it with either rice, spaghetti. Kuna wale wanashtukanga wakisikia jina spaghetti, but I got you. We have a spaghetti recipe. Just go and check it out. For me, I'm going to serve mine with rice and some mixed vegetables. I also have the recipe for the mixed vegetables. Just check it out and you are going to love the combination. Goodbye guys, don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to my channel for more amazing recipes. Goodbye.